Question number 6. A fruit seller bought mangoes at rupee 90 per dozen. So, cost price of 1 dozen mangoes equals to rupee 90. Then sold them at a loss of 8%. Now, cost price of 1 dozen mangoes is given to us. Simply we have to find selling price of 1 dozen mangoes. So, selling price of 1 dozen mangoes equals to, as you know formula, uh, CP equals to what? SP into 100 upon 100 plus profit percent, but in this case loss is given, so we will write 100 minus loss percent. Now SP we have to find, so this value we will transpose to left hand side, so CP into 100 minus loss percent equals to SP into 100, so divide by 100. So this is the formula of selling price. Formula of selling price equals to what? CP into 100 minus loss percent upon 100. So CP is 90 for 1 dozen mangoes into 100 minus loss percent. Loss is 8 upon 100. So now 90 into 100 minus 8, 92 upon 100. The 0 and 0 get cancelled. Then we are having 9 into 92. So 9 2 is 18, 1 carry, 9 9 is 81, 81 and 1, 82 upon 10. So from there we are getting 82.8. 82.8. This is the SP of 1 dozen mangoes. Okay. But in the question it's asking for the 1 mango. So SP of 1 dozen mangoes equals to 82.80. As you know, 1 dozen means what? 12 pieces. So SP of 12 mangoes equals to 82.8. So same we will write SP of 1 mango equals to 82.8 divided by 12. So solve this. 82.8 divided by 12. So 12 6 is 72, 0 1 decimal, so decimal, bring it down 8. 12 9 is 108. So rupee 6.9 is the cost, is the selling price of 1 mango. That means customer will pay rupee 6.9 for 1 mango. Then for the 40 mangoes, simply multiply 40 into 6.9. So in question number 7, as you can see, by selling 2 transistors for rupees 600 each, a shopkeeper gains 20% on one transistor and losses 20% on other. So selling price of first transistor rupees 600, selling price of second transistor rupees 600. Profit in first transistor 20%, loss in second transistor 20%. CP of first transistor. So as you know, CP equals to what? SP into 100 upon 100 if profit, so 100 plus profit, so equals to SP 600 into 100 upon 100 plus 20. Okay, so from there 600 into 100 upon 120, 0 and this 0 get cancelled, 12 1 ja 12 5 ja, and 5 into 100 500. So finally CP is rupee 500 for the first transistor. Okay, so now we will solve the second case. So for the second case, CP equals to what? SP into 100 upon 100 minus loss percent. So SP is 600 into 100 upon 100 minus loss percent. Loss is 20, so 100 minus 20, 80. So 0 and this 0 get cancelled. Okay, then 4 2 ja 8, 4 15 ja 60, 2 1 ja 2, 2 50 ja 100. So 15 into 5, sorry 15 into 50, rupee 750. So this is the cost price of second transistor. Okay, so now first question is solved. Okay, second question is total CP and total SP. So total CP, so total CP equals to CP of first transistor, then CP of second transistor. So for this first transistor we calculated CP 500, and for the second transistor we calculated CP 750. So total 1250, 1250. So total CP is 1250, while SP of total SP is given in the starting. SP of each transistor is 600, and we are having two transistors, so 600 into 2 1200. सेलिंग प्राइस एक ट्रांजिस्टर का 600 है और दो ट्रांजिस्टर्स हैं, तो सेम सेलिंग प्राइस ऑफ फर्स्ट ट्रांजिस्टर प्लस सेलिंग प्राइस ऑफ सेकेंड ट्रांजिस्टर, so 600 plus 600, answer is 1200. So this is the question of second. Now answer of second question. Now the third question, profit or loss. As you can see, CP is 1250 while the loss is 1200. So clearly CP is greater than SP. So this is the case of loss, and loss equals to what? CP minus SP. So 1250 minus 1200. So rupee 50 is your loss. And as you know, loss percent equals to what? Loss upon CP into 100. So loss is 50 and CP 1250 into 100. 0 0 get cancelled, then 5 2 ja 5 25 ja 25 1 ja 25 2 ja, so 2 2 ja 4, loss is 4%. So now you can solve up to question number 10. If having any doubt, do message.